If you're looking to have tasks or system automated in your business, N8N is a great solution. Here is the result actually of an automation I made, that it generates videos on the fly based on a topic you give it. So I just gave it like, tell me about the city of Oldsmar.
Oldsmar is a vibrant city blending history and modern living.
I just asked for that, and a few seconds later I get this video, this one here. I did it a while ago, explain about why the speed to lead is important. And
in sales, speed to lead means contacting a potential customer.
It's pretty quick. The way it works is through N8N. N8N is a automation software, kind of like Zapier or Make, but it's node-based and it's pretty simple to integrate. So here what it's getting is from Telegram. It's receiving my request, and then I have this agent parse my requests, do the research, generate the script, and spit it out. And here I'm basically determining if I want Emma to say the script or me, and then it's using N8N to generate the video, verifying if it's ready, and then spitting it back out here. Now, why would we use this? Well, it's a super fast and easy way to generate content on the fly if you're busy in a meeting, whatever, and you can create it and upload it super fast. But this isn't the only application for N8N. You can do multiple other automations and integrate it with different types of tools. For example, this is a much larger one. It's still coming through Telegram. So depending if you're sending voice, text, or an image, it'll parse it the correct way, send it to the agent. The agent will determine what it has to do, and if necessary, it can connect, in this case, with email, with calendars, with a bunch of other applications, and then get the information and send it back and post it back to Telegram. But again, the important thing about these automations is the flexibility it gives you in your business to have things done faster and at any moment without having to call people or have to explain what it is. Obviously, you have to determine the process the first time, but once the system is in place, it's just a matter of chatting with Telegram or interacting with it however you want it set up. So yeah, these are kind of the things we do with our automations, and setting it up with businesses. That's how we do our video avatars, AI avatars. And if this is something that you're interested in, give me a call, DM me, and I'll be happy to help you out.